Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to detect human body joint in React Native's new architecture for iOS using the vision framework. So let's get started. So firstly, what I need you guys to do is you will have to go to this particular documentation, because I will be copying a lot of code from this documentation for Fabric Native components. Okay, I have already started building my app, so it will take a little bit of time. I will show you the output in a bit. In the meantime, what you can do is just create a React Native application. Once that is done, you will have to open your terminal, cd to this iOS directory which we have, and run this particular command. So this will enable the new architecture for iOS. Then again, coming back to our documentation, so firstly we'll have to create this particular folder. Inside that I have created a package.json file. Again, I have copy pasted everything from docs. Only this name has been changed, this name has been changed, and this name has been changed. Then I have created a podspec file, again copied it from docs, and only this name has been changed. Then I have created a JS folder. Inside that I have created a TypeScript file. Again, this has been copied from docs, only the props has been removed and this name has been changed. Then the documentation says that create an iOS folder over here. We won't be doing that because we need to write some Swift code, so we will be writing it inside Xcode. So what you will have to do, again go to your terminal, cd to the root of your React Native project, and firstly run this particular command. Once you run that, you will have to do cd ... It will move you outside your React Native project. Then you will have to run this particular command, but here instead of rnapp human body joints, you will have to write your own project name. As you can see, my project name is rnapp human body joints. So over here as well as over here, and this is our folder name. Once that is done, you will again have to cd back to the main iOS folder which we have, and run this command. So this will do code generation for iOS. Now to use it, I'll tell you the implementation in a bit. So to use it, you can import it something like this and use it like this. Then you will have to open the XE workspace of iOS inside Xcode. I have already opened that. Then first go to general, and here you will have to update the minimum deployment to at least iOS 14 over here, as well as over here you have to update it to 14. Then again go back to your images folder, and here you can add few images. So I have added 2 images. Then firstly, from the documentation, again I have created this header file and copied the code from the documentation, and only this name has been changed. Then I have created another Objective-C file like the documentation specifies, and I have changed the extension to .mm. So it should be .mm, so it is Objective-C++. Again, I have copy pasted this code from docs. Only this name, and this name has been changed. Then again create an Objective-C file, change the extension to .mm. So as you can see over here, again this has been copied from docs. So I have imported this header file. This has been copied from docs, and only this name, this and this has been changed, and this is our project name. As you can see over here, this is my project name. Change it to your own project name. And in the documentation it specifies use this import. We can't really use this because we are writing the code inside the main iOS folder, so we will have to use this particular import. Then again I have copy pasted this code from the documentation, this as well. Only this names has been changed according to our folder name. So here we initialize our Swift file. Now just right click, create a new Swift file called my image view. Xcode will ask, do you want to create a bridging header? Click yes. Now okay, so I'll quickly show you guys the output. So here you can see this is my image view, and it was able to draw this path based on the human body joints. I will show it for one more image just in a bit. So here you can see that we are again creating our, again this has been copied from docs, and this has been copied from docs as well. Only this name has been changed. Here we initialize our view, here we initialize our Swift file and add our Swift file to our view. Again this has been copied from docs, and only this name and this name has been changed. Then coming back, so here coming back to our Swift file, so I'll quickly change the image name. Okay, I'll rerun it. Okay, coming back to our code, so I imported UI kit and vision. Here is our UI image view. We initialize the UI image view, add it to our parent views, do some NS layout constraints as well, and then we call this detect human body pose. Here this is boilerplate code which we have to write. So we convert our image to a CG image, then we just use v and detect human body pose request, start a completion handler, and if there are any no results, then no humans detected. If yes, then just call this draw body joints. Then here we do v and image request handler. On the background thread we perform the request. Here we call draw body joints. So again, now this I have just copy pasted it from the docs, like even I'm not really good at this, so this will help us to draw that lines on all the body joints. So I'll simply scroll through this. If you want, you can copy paste this particular code as well. So hopefully our output is ready as well. I have shown you this, sorry, this and this. I have also shown you to add images, and this is how you can import it. So hopefully we should be now in the second image. There are a lot of people, so hopefully it draws proper bounding boxes on each and every person. So here you can see it was able to draw it properly. I will just expand it. Hopefully you can see it now. I'm running it on an iPad. Also, one more thing, you will have to run this on a real iOS device. It won't work on a simulator. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.